In doing research for my LEGO Super Smash Bros. Custom minifigure series, I came across a pretty amazing mock for a certain character you've all been requesting a lot in the comments.
King DDD!
And I've been racking my brain a lot on how to build King DDD for a while. I knew he was going to be brick built and not just a minifigure just due to his size, but I just didn't know where to start. And that's when I find this. Perhaps the most perfect LEGO King DDD build I could ever imagine. So I want to take some time today to highlight this mock and its creator just to show you guys how perfect this thing is. So this DDD here was made by Eero Okkonen. He's a Finnish architect and he dabbles in LEGO bricks, although if you see some of the stuff this guy makes, like this is just crazy. I feel like he does a little bit more than dabble in it. His stuff is amazing. He even made this really cool Samus Aran as well, so go check his stuff out, it's incredible. So pretty much everything you're going to see in this video, all the credit goes to him. So his King DDD build utilizes some incredible pieces here. So you can see he uses the penguin eyes from the LEGO Super Mario sets, as well as the red Koopa shells from the LEGO Super Mario sets. So a lot of other Nintendo stuff going on here, which is pretty cool. And I never would have thought to use these pieces together, but they look fantastic in unison. He also uses these really cool pieces from the 1970s. They're from the Homemaker theme. They were used as maxi figure hands. So he uses these for the hands of King DDD as well as on the beak. And the instructions for his DDD are actually on this LEGO blog website, New Elementary. So naturally, I had to check out those instructions and build this for myself. I'll also link the New Elementary page and its Patreon in the description. That way you can look at these instructions too. And here we have our built King DDD in all its glory. I did modify just a couple parts because some of them were a little bit hard to acquire. You can see here on the hand I changed the piece here that was originally on there. It was originally a Star Wars Pod Racer printed 2x2 tile, but instead I decided to put this 2x2 round jumper plate here, and then I also added a star to the front and the back of it. So it's just a little bit different from the original build, as well as this little Technic ball piece I added to the top of the hat. I just kind of modified it a little bit, but 99.9% of it is still the original design. And as good as this model looks online in pictures, it looks even better in person here. It's kind of crazy, all the techniques that he used to put this together. You don't really appreciate it fully until you actually build it, but it's kind of crazy how he puts these slopes in here, as well as using these minifigure legs on the back of the head to connect the head to the rest of the body. It's kind of crazy, all the things that he does to put this together and make it look as good as it does. But I think possibly one of my favorite things about this buildable figure here is that it's actually in scale with all my other custom Kirby characters here. So there you can see it next to Meta Knight. Here he is next to Kirby. It's all pretty good scale with the other ones that I've made. So that's one of the reasons why I wanted to replicate this design so much, is that the size of it is exactly what I was looking for. And he's actually made an even bigger King DDD build that I'll link in the description as well. And that one's impressive for its own reasons, but I really wanted to replicate this one just because of the perfect size that it is in conjunction with my other characters. So once again, aside from the couple modifications I added here to the figure, most of it is not my design. It is all accredited to Eero and his amazing techniques that he came up with. So let me know in the comments what you think of this King DDD build. I think it's simply amazing. Do not forget to go check out Eero and all of his amazing work. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.